Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. Went to Menards today, rebate, 11%, So I picked up this new Menards Master Force, brushless boost hammer drill, who makes this. The same company makes Flex, So let's open this. Okay. It's like the handle. So there's the handle. Okay. See, it comes with a bag. Not bad. Not bad. Nice bag. Nice bottom to it. Okay. Comes with a lot bigger charger than my impact driver did. This looks like the extended capacity one with more power. Yeah, this has got 90 watts. Boost battery. Down to 1 bar. I'm going to throw it on the charger. Yeah, it's a lot bigger charger. That's because this was the charger that came with my, my Halo impact driver, and this only has 45 watts, so that thing has got twice the power. Good. Now I got a much faster charger for, charging. Okay. Now, typical books. So, yep. It says 800 inch-pounds. Okay. Now, so that's in the box. Like I say, this half-inch all-metal chuck electric brake. Let's see, compact design. It's only 7.95 inches long. Like I say, same company makes Flex makes this. So, same company that makes Flex. Like I say, let's see here. Chuck capacity half-inch. No load speed. Speed 10 to 550 RPM. C2 0 to 2000. The impact rate is 8,800 in first and 32,000 beats per minute in second. Max torque is 800 pounds. 800 inch-pounds that is, not foot-pounds. God, what kind of drill would that be? I wouldn't want to be one trying to use a drill that powerful. But yep. See, it's got 23 speeds, actually 24. That's speed 1. Got pulse, non-pulse, pulse. Pulse is when you're, drilling that iffy stuff. Let's remove this. Let's remove the doggone battery. The normal belt clip, which I don't like. I don't get on ladders that much. Okay. Let me get some gloves here. Thing let me do is maneuver this. .5/8 speed bore. It's an all metal chuck. Okay. That was in speed 2. Should be able to do this 800 inch-pounds. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is a 3/4 inch speed bore. Wow, it cut out. Well, it doesn't have a safety on it because it doesn't have enough power. But it cut out. Wow, cut out. What do you know? Wow, it's got a cutout on it. Try it in speed 1. Okay, speed 2. Speed 1. Yeah, speed 2. Nope, cut out. Okay. speed 1. Speed 2. Wow, it cut out. That may have been a nail in there. Speed 1. Like I say, Shervana makes flex, and you know, skill makes this. I kind of like this. I'm gonna, when I get my new flex compact hammer drill, I want to compare it to this, because this is 800 inch-pounds, and you know, let's see what the battery's at. It's down to 3 bars. This is the 2.5, you know, boost battery. So this has got, you know, 21,700 cells in it, and it was fully charged. So let's do one more. And that was speed 1. Let's try another speed 2. Oh, it's cut out. Cut out. So, yep. Okay. Okay. Let's try speed 1 and see if it'll go through. This is a 3/4 inch speed bore. See how far I can put it in. Not bad. And all the way down that far. Still got 3 bars left on the 2.5 boost battery. Like I say, flex makes this. So let me try something else. Well, that's good enough. There'll be more videos to come with this in the weeks. And like I say, one nice thing about it too, look at this. You put it right here. Fact. That's speed 1. It's a nice little drill. That's why I can't wait for the new flex to come out. It's going to be about the same size as this. Instead of 800 inch-pounds, 650. It's kind of probably be based on this. Instead of 20 volt, it'll be 24 volt. Well, okay, this is nice. I like it. It's small. A 2.5 amp battery is just right. Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.